Hey team, Bjorky here, just giving you some information on a couple of different options for how to share your screen. The first one is Screencast-o-Matic. This is an option that's online and can also be downloaded as an app for your Chromebook. To access it, you can either Google Screencast-o-Matic or type in screencast-o-matic.com. Once there, click on Login, and you're going to log in with Google. Next, you are able to just start the recording right from there. It may prompt you to download the app into your computer or Chromebook, which is fine. You can choose to do that as well. So I'm going to hit start recording. And it's going to ask me if I'd like to share my entire screen or just a certain window. I would recommend just sharing your entire screen. That's probably the easiest thing. Click on share. You have the option to do your screen, just yourself with a webcam, or you can do a little mini webcam in the corner while you're also sharing your screen for students. It's totally up to you. You can also see that my mic is working well as I'm talking. So when I'm ready to record, I'm just going to hit record, and it's going to record my whole entire screen. So right now, this Screencast-o-Matic means that it's recording, doing what it needs to do. I'm talking, and since I have this downloaded as an app, when I'm all done, I just hit this button down here, and it finishes my video. Once it's finished, you can choose to preview what you've recorded. If you don't like what you recorded, you can delete everything and start over. Or if you like what you recorded, you can go ahead and click on done. There are two options that you can use for saving this video. The easiest and the best one I found so far is to save as a video file, because then you can take and move that video into your Drive or YouTube or wherever you would like to. The upload to Screencast-o-Matic and to Google Drive, you need to have a paid subscription to this in order to use it. The YouTube one is a limit on how big of a file size you can upload in 24 hours, so that may cut you short as well. So I'm just going to go with the save as video file, and it just downloads in my download folder, and you can change the recording name down here. So if I go into my downloads, you can see I've done some other recordings that I've renamed, which works just fine. So if I like it, then I'm going to click on save, and it will save it in my download file. To access it to Google Drive, I just click on my launcher. You can search files, or if it comes up, click on files. You'll see it in your downloads here. You can see I've done a website research one and a hoax or real deal, which explained two different assignments. So if I like it, I just take it, drag it, and drop it into Google Drive. When you put it in Google Drive, it will take a little bit of time for it to finish completing the video. So I'll show you when I go to it. And if it's not finished uploading, it's going to say video is still processing, check back later. Don't worry, it takes about anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to finish processing the video. And then you'll be able to find it in here. So you can move the video to a file where you want to as well. I'm looking for it. It's going to reset. So here's the video that I recorded. If I double click it, it will open up and then give me the option to start playing. You can see here, we're processing this video, check back later, or you can download the video now if you want to download it to your computer and upload it to YouTube. Totally up to you. But this one has already processed, so it's good to go. When I click on it, it will just open up in the middle of my screen and give me the option to play it. Just thinking. Really slow. So what you do then with this video is you are able to then copy the link for it and paste it into your Google Classroom for your students. This is being really weird right now. And that's pretty much it for how to access this. So if I go into the Classroom, I can show you what this looks like. So I just took the link. If you right click on it and then click share, you can get a shareable link for this. And then you just paste it into Google Classroom, paste on an assignment, send it in an email. I've done it both ways for students as well. So here's the link that comes out of Google Drive for this. So when I click on it and open it, it just opens this assignment, and then the students can hit play. They can fast forward, rewind, do whatever they want to it. So pretty nice tool. If this is an option you like, you can go ahead and use this one, but that's how you use Screencast-o-Matic.